Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question 14. All the following are price determinants except dash. A. Cost of production. B. Government policies. C. Forces of demand and supply. And D. Risk. So we are asked to pick which of the following that is not a price determinant. Like price determinant here simply means what? Factors. Price determinant simply means factors that influences the market's value of agricultural products. That is, these factors that determines the cost of agricultural products in the market. Now, A here says cost of production. Cost of production is a price determinant factor. Is a factor that determines what? The price of agricultural products. Because for a farmer to sell his product, he must consider his cost of production. That is the cost at which he used to produce such agricultural products. Take for instance maybe a maize plantation. Now the farmer must consider the amount spent, his capital invested in such maize plantation, and that amount will determine the cost of this product. Now B here says government policies. Government policies also affect the price of agricultural product. It's a price determinant factor. How? Now there are some policies made by the government on some agricultural products. Now, if these policies are actually favorable to the agricultural product, what will happen? The cost of this agricultural product will be reduced. But if these government policies actually do not favor this agricultural product in that particular location, there will be There will be a high cost of such products. So government policies actually affect the price of agricultural products. So it's a price determinant. Now C here says force of demand and supply. Yes, force of demand and supply is also a price determinant, because take for instance in a place where there is a high or increased demand of a particular agricultural product. Now this agricultural product will be scarce. Because of the increase in demand and supply of this product, it will be scarce, and because of its scarcity, the cost will increase also. It leads to increase in cost of this product. So force of demand and supply actually affect the price of agricultural products. Then D here says risk. Now risk here is not a price determinant factor. Risk is not a price determinant factor at all. So the answer to this question is option D, because all these are actually price determinant factors, but option D do not affect the price of agricultural products. So D is the correct answer. Risk. Thank you very much and God bless you.